Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a note to single page in your Canva project video. First of all, we want to go to create a design and go for the video, for example, or in this case obviously. I already did so by creating this very simple presentation out of the videos that Canva offers to us for free. Now, what we want to do, if you want to take a note or we want to add a note to this page, obviously there is no reason to edit to this one, it's just for show. We want to go to the bottom part where you see all the pages and click on the three dots or right click on the image and we can put a note in here. Notes will be displayed in presenter view. So you get a point, you can take any kind of note here and so on. So that's how you create a note to your video or the page on your video. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.